Hey everyone, we have come across a beautiful listing this month. Thank you for tuning into our channel, Pune Apartment Listings. We are at a prime destination in Undri, South Pune. We will be broadcasting a 4 BHK spacious villa available for resale. The carpet area for this villa is 3900 square feet. Let's begin the tour of the actual villa for sale. We are at the main entrance to the villa. Developer has provided a video door phone at the entrance and an open car park in front of the villa. This living has two stairways. One will take you to the basement with two rooms, and the second stairway will take you to the first floor with two bedrooms. On the ground floor, we come across a living and dining section with two ACs in the living room, and in the front, we come across a chef's kitchen, and to the right is your guest bedroom. Let's explore more. The chef's kitchen has a dimension of 13 by 10. What you see is what you get. Entire modular kitchen. And the door ahead gives you access to your dry terrace and a private garden space. Let's have a look at the guest bedroom, and that is a lift to this particular 4 BHK villa. This is ground plus 2. Now this is your guest bedroom. Upon entering, we run into the guest washroom with a glass shower cubicle. Your CP fittings, sanitary fittings are of Grohe and Jaguar. This is the actual guest washroom. And friends, this is your guest bedroom with a dimension of 16 by 12. What you see is what you get. A king size bed and a double door wardrobe space. Full length windows to the left. That's your king size bed. Full length windows here offer a better air circulation and ventilation and a good view. That's a double door wardrobe space. This 4 BHK villa has pretty huge room sizes, hence you will never run out of space. There is always good space to move around. Throughout this entire 4 BHK villa, the ceiling height is 12 feet. So that is another plus point here. Pune Apartment Listings is the first channel that offers you this great opportunity to buy this 4 BHK villa, which is available for resale and at a very prime location in South Pune. It's time we go up on the first floor. Let's quickly go on to the first floor. Your wooden textured stairways that take you to the second living area here. This is your nice and long second living area with two bedrooms. Right in the front is your first master bedroom. Dimensions remain the same, wooden textured flooring and a private balcony with full length windows. So that's your private balcony, nice and large. And right ahead is a attached washroom. The uniqueness in this 4 BHK villa, each washroom has a glass shower cubicle. So that's a glass shower cubicle here that separates the dry and the wet area. This entire project has 24/7 power and water supply. Anti-skid flooring will be seen in all the washrooms. This is a very impressive product that we have come across, and we bring to you this opportunity to buy this beautiful 4 BHK villa. That's your second living area. Just have a look at the length and the breadth. And this right ahead is your kids bedroom. Here you will come across wooden textured vitrified flooring. 16 by 12 are the dimensions for the kids bedroom, and with three windows that will offer good cross ventilation here. This kids bedroom has a full length window that will offer good cross ventilation and sunlight to come into this particular room, and it has a running balcony facing an empty land parcel ahead. This 4 BHK villa is a part of a 10 villa project which has manual security in place, CCTV system is in place, The best CBSE and ICSE schools are within 2 km radius of this 4 BHK villa. Let's go ahead on the second floor. Here we will come across marble stairways taking us to the master bedroom on the second floor. This is the biggest master bedroom in this 4 BHK villa. This master bedroom has a dimension of 16 by 14 and you will come across Italian marble flooring in this master bedroom. This has been a very impressive villa to watch so far. Now let me show you a unique aspect here. A master terrace with 3 side open view. This will give you good ventilation inside this master bedroom. A lot can be done here in terms of gardening. Now let us explore the master shower. In the master shower we come across a glass shower cubicle which is very visible, and friends, the most unique aspect, a bathtub. That's a bathtub. This entire project has good water provision from the local government as well as there's a borewell connection. If you're somebody who has a large family and who's looking for a 4 BHK villa or a 6 BHK villa, this is the product for you. There are 2 huge rooms in the basement which can be converted into 2 bedrooms, or else you can make it into an entertainment room and a gymnasium. And now this will take you to the rooftop terrace. This is a humble request to all the viewers. Please share this video with your friends and family members who are looking for a 6 BHK or a 4 BHK villa in South Pune. This resale villa will be a right match for their requirement. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Pune Apartment Listings. Help us grow. If you want to sell your apartment or your shop, give us a call. Our team will be there to assist you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.